Working with database design and got an ERM file from Prosa. This is an entity relationship diagram used in database modeling. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these Prosa entity relationship diagram model files. I call this the last resort solution for those ERM files that seem completely unopenable. We'll explore that powerful alternative if the standard procedures fail. ERM files are entity relationship diagram model files created by Prosa, a database modeling application. They contain ER diagrams with entities attributes, relationships, and constraints used in database design and documentation for relational database systems and software development projects. ERM files use a proprietary format specific to Prosa, storing diagram elements as structured object collections with entity definitions, attribute lists, relationship specifications, cardinality information, and visual layout coordinates. The format preserves complete diagram content for reproduction within Prosa. For viewing and interaction, ERM is most commonly opened via Prosa UML Modeler from InSoft OI. The extraction process relies on algorithms not included in the Windows operating system. Windows may load the file visually, but manipulation depends on design applications. We are testing every application for file recognition. Right-click your ERM file and choose Open With. Test Prosa UML Modeler first. If it fails, select another application. The right reader is in there somewhere. If you still can't open the ERM file, it's okay. Alright, the simple solution is out. We need to isolate the issue with the ERM file. Move on to these essential troubleshooting measures right away. First, opening in Prosa. Launch Prosa modeling software and use File then Open to load the ERM file. The application displays the complete entity relationship diagram with all entities, relationships, and attributes intact, ready for modification, documentation, generation, or SQL DDL export for database creation. Next, exporting to standard formats. Within Prosa, use the export function to convert ERM diagrams to standard formats, like SQL DDL XML, or image formats like PNG and SVG. These standard outputs enable database creation, script generation, and diagram sharing with team members who don't have Prosa. Finally, trying database tools. If Prosa is unavailable, try opening ERM files in alternative ER diagram tools like MySQL Workbench, dbdiagram.io, or Lucidchart. While direct compatibility is unlikely, you can recreate diagrams in modern tools using exported documentation from Prosa as reference. If compatibility checks fail, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.